Welcome to BrainPod AI Writer. Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect title and meta description for your blog posts? With our subblog posts title and meta descriptions template, you can optimize content in just a few clicks. Simply input your company product name, blog post title, blog post description, and keyword. The examples are entirely optional and are used to refine your output further. You can create content in multiple languages as well. Click on the Generate AI Content button. Our powerful AI algorithm will analyze your inputs and generate SEO-Optimized content that will rank well on Google. If you ever get a result you do not like, you can use the Reclaim Token feature to reclaim your tokens and not be charged for that output. Say goodbye to crafting titles and meta descriptions from scratch and let BrainPod AI Writer do the heavy lifting for you. Try our subblog post title and meta descriptions template today.